So in my last video I said we'll have a look at this. This is the WORX Nitro vacuum cleaner. I'm not going to give too many secrets away about it. It's a vacuum cleaner. Lots of different things that a vacuum cleaner doesn't normally do. So let's have a look. On the side of the box you can see straight away it says 2 of 1. So the code for this machine, if you're interested in buying one, or if you're not, it's WX031.9. The 0.9 means it don't come with batteries. So just remember that. If it's got a 0.9 of any description on any of the WORX stuff, there's no battery included or charger. But that's good, because normally what you do is, if you have these batteries, regardless of which size you have, you'll normally just turn around and say, well, I'll just get another one, another product to go with it, if it's any good. And this is where I come in, and I'll tell you exactly what I'm thinking. Well, let's get them out of the box, because that is it. Is there anything else in the box? And this isn't an unboxing. I had this out a while, by the way. I'll get this stuff out anyway, and I can show you then what I think. I got one of these. That's off another vacuum cleaner, by the way. And it doesn't come with one of those. I'll let you know about that in a minute. So with this vacuum cleaner, you get one of these. It's one for basically sucking up water, or it could be gravel or whatever. Also, you get this as well. It's just an attachment, and this basically goes on to this. Right, this is for holding this around your neck. Okay. Believe me, you need that strap, because this does weigh a little bit. So let's put that back in the box. Comes with a 3 years guarantee, and that's all your bits and bobs in there to tell you all about it. Throw that in there. So now I'll show you what's good about it. So on the top here, you can open it up, and you've got an area there for another tube. That's one of those ones which you can suck down and suck down the side of your carpets or whatever, or sofa. Now you'll like this. Open that up and you can put your battery in. And it's this simple. You just slide it in like that. And also it just comes out as easy. You can use either one. Like that. So you can get it out, can't you? Yep, that's the one. So we'll put this one in for now, just to show you. That's in, and then that comes down. That just keeps it nice and dry. So if you're out in the wet, it's going to protect it. It is what I describe as strong plastic. Over on this side, you've got a button, eco, and not. So we'll turn him on for now. Yeah. It does make a ding. There you go. You press the eco button, it changes the sound. Turn it off for a minute. So, one good thing about it, it does have a long pipe on it. 2 meters allegedly. And look, I'll be fair with you. Personally, it's not as good as I wanted it to be, because you can't put that in the car. Okay, so that has to sit outside. So yeah, you know where I'm coming from. Even 2 meters of this, it don't stretch far enough into the car. So for the car, it's over. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, but that's not a bad thing. The good thing is you can take it off, and you like this, you put it on this side and you press this, You could dry your car off. Yeah, so there is a bit of a madness in this. You can actually dry your car with it. I have tried it out and it does work. Okay, it's not as good as the leaf blower, but it'll still do those little things. So it does have a blow and a suck mode. I'm not being rude. So going back to it, you can put this back on. That's fine. And what is good with this, it will attach into other things. So if you've got another machine, I still don't know what that, oh, there it is. There you go, it fits on there. So then that fits into a sander, saws and stuff like that. Very easy. Now for cleaning, I'll show you the rest of the video in a minute because I've done some earlier. This is me now. I've done some last year when I was filming with it. And inside here, dare I say, oh, let's open both sides. So to open it, you've got two clips both sides. And they go like that, okay? So they clip down. See? They both clip down like that and clip back off. And we'll take it out. Now, you'll probably think the same as I'm thinking. In here, this is where all your water, and you can collect your water in there and the rubbish in there, which is great. Now, this is what I call the problem in my estimation, this. So basically, you're caking up your filter. And you know what happens when you cake a filter up? You got to clean it. And how do you clean it? Yeah, with another vacuum cleaner. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Steve, why would you want to buy a vacuum cleaner and then have to clean it with a vacuum cleaner? It's the quickest way of cleaning this. Now, you can take it, it is quite easy, unscrew it. There is just 4 screws around there. Take it off and you can actually wash the filter if you want. I think it's that type of material you can. I don't really know, to be honest, because I've never done it. I just vacuumed it. And look, I know they say it's for water and it will go up. You can fill it right up to there if you want with water if you require. I have sucked up a little bit of water, but that's about the stretch of it. And it'd probably be like that in the bottom there. You probably wouldn't see it. To be honest, for water, I'm not really convinced. It does suck up water, don't get me wrong, it does suck up water. And there's no denying what it'll do. And it'll suck up rubbish like this, you can see it. It'll suck it up. But it is quite powerful to do the job. But I'm not loving it. Okay? I'm not loving it. Well, we'll show you the rest of this footage I got and we'll come back. And I'll show you what I used it for last year.
The best use of this vacuum is collecting sawdust. It's absolutely brilliant. Even using a sander, you can collect quite a lot. The only downside is that flexi pipe. I mean, it is a bit of a pain really, because it does tend to want to slip out. What's great with the vacuum, it does have the easy connector, which actually slides into your machine. It makes life so simple. The only downside, you do need to put some tape round. Easy taking the rubbish out. Look. Oh. Now, this is what really annoys me. That filter is so chock-a-block full. It basically stops the vacuum working properly. And I found the easiest way to clean it is with another vacuum cleaner. Obviously a stronger one. The one I'm actually using is a Melee, and it's the old-fashioned Melee, which is actually more powerful. And what's great, it just it sucks out all the sawdust or any gubbins you've got in there. Have you noticed on those feet, it looks as though this thing's missing, isn't it? Well, I've had a look in the box and I actually don't find anything. So 3 of those feet have got, like, they're open, and whereas the other 2, one's got a filler in it and the other one hasn't. I only noticed that whilst I've been doing the video. So I found another easy way is take all the parts off and just clout it down on the top there. I think realistically, I think by unscrewing the 4 screws and just taking the filter off would be actually more sensible than doing it like this. I mean, I just done it to see. I don't, I've never used the thing before. And easy to dump your rubbish. Look at that, so simple. And once you've done it, it's so easy to connect back together. You've got the clips on both sides. You clip them in one side and then you clip in the other. Now, what do I actually think about these? Oh, I get a thumbs up with a Melee. Yes, it's definitely a thumbs down with the WORX Nitro. You can see what I'm saying. It's quite... Don't get me wrong. I'm sure that the guy who invented this was thinking, yeah, this is it. And don't get me wrong, this is the same as the rest of the other brands. They're all the same. They look the same. They do the same job. They suck water. They blow air. They suck up wood chips, whatever. But I don't know. I've got to say I'm out on this. Now, for doing a car, I was a bit disappointed by the car bit. It doesn't tick my boat. Don't get me wrong, it will do some stuff, but it's just not me. It's not car orientated. I knew you'd understand where I was coming from. You buy a vacuum to clean a vacuum with a vacuum. Yes, I have already got one of them. It's called a Shark vacuum, which I use a vacuum cleaner to clean that vacuum. I don't understand these day and age. You've got to buy a professional machine to do a professional job, and then you have to buy a professional vacuum cleaner to clean that professional vacuum cleaner. So let's have a look at the information you require. So how much is this going to cost you today? Let's be fair, I'm looking at Amazon at the moment, all right? So at least you've got today's prices, and this machine will cost you £109.99. And if you want to buy a used one, it's 94 quid. Personally, I think you'd be better off not bothering at all. But I'll read some of these because I always think they're quite interesting, because I just wonder where they get them from. And it says this is, so globally, 349 people have bought one or have had one of these using Amazon. It's got a 4.5 out of 5. Now bear this in mind. I don't know what vacuum cleaner they're looking at, but this is the one. Customer finds vacuum cleaner to be great value. Pleased with its fantastic suction power and facilities. One of the customers noted it's more powerful than a Dyson model. They appreciate the utility's vast tasks, including car cleaning and general mess removal, and its ability to easily handle water spills. The battery life received a mixed feedback. While some say it keeps well charged, and others mention it drains quickly. And then it goes on to value for money. So 51 people say it's good value for money, because on Amazon, sometimes they're not actually reviewing this. It could be some other model. Nothing to do with this one. Great little vacuum.
I don't know what they're talking. I don't know what I'm on about. This is not a great little vacuum. That weighs something. That's not a little vacuum cleaner by a long shot. And this person says, great little vac. I don't know which one they're talking about, but it isn't this one. Their reviews are saying it. To me, it's a bit of a mixed bag on here. But even there, though it says it's 4 out of 5, let's put it this way. Out of 5, I would give this 2.5. Because that is all it's worth. 2.5, this one. See, the difference is with Amazon, you do not know what you're getting on this thing, do you? It's a brushless motor. Once again, they're practically all brushless now. It's up to 16 kPa suction, which is pretty low really, to be honest. It's got a large capacity for collecting dust, which we know. It's got multiple applications with blow-in mode. This is the bit, I love this. It says here, quite compact and lightweight design. Thanks to its 3 kilogram lightweight. Now 3 kilogram is not lightweight by a long shot. And if you're lugging 3 kilograms around, you'll know about it. And especially, I really don't know why they do this. Obviously, batteries, again, they're going into the batteries. You can use whatever batteries you like. And like I said, the price, this is £109 without batteries and charger. So you're paying a little penny for that. I think you'd be better off putting your money on something else. But I have had this now, and it's been sat in the box, and I don't mind telling you, it has been sat in a box for nearly 6 months, and I've never touched the thing. I took it out, checked it would actually blow and suck and whatever else it does, and then I put it back in the box because I was busy doing other jobs. And there we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please subscribe and please share, and don't forget, there's a link up there if you want to buy me a coffee. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters! So what's coming up in the next video? One of these. It's actually great for woodwork. Allegedly. But I'll share the video with you first, and I'll let you know how I get on with it. Again, another one of those little toys that, what do they call it? Scarifier? No, I think that's the one for doing the grass. You know the one that, if you've seen one of these before, that is what we're going to be reviewing next. All right, one of these.